Hey everybody, how are you? John Napolitano here with you on this fine Thursday morning. I hope everybody's doing great. I'm over at Top Trading Pros. I am the options instructor here. I've been doing options trading for about 20 plus years for those of you who don't know me. I have institutional trading experience, and now I take that experience and try to teach the average investor how to trade successfully in the options market. One of the things I want to talk about in this video is basically what's the best option strategy to use. And a lot of people come to me and ask me, well, I see all this stuff on YouTube, I see all this stuff on television or whatever, and on the internet. And basically, I see a lot of people out there that try to come up with one strategy that's kind of a game changer, one's kind of, one size fits all type strategy. And I'm here to tell you, unfortunately, that is not the way you trade options. The market changes dynamically every single week, every single day even. And you have to have a strategy that basically molds to what the market is telling you. I have a strategy called the basket approach, which I've learned over my years working on the institutional side. And it is the only way I trade options. It's the only way where I feel you can be consistent. I think the key to the game when it comes to options trading or anything in life is consistency. And some of the strategies that I see on YouTube, some of the strategies that I see people talk about, they work very well. They might work very well for like a week or two or a month or two, or even a whole year. If let's say the market's going in one direction for the most part, those strategies work fairly well. When people talk about, oh, I made 1,000% or I made all these crazy return numbers, it doesn't surprise me if they are doing one thing and the market is trending in one direction. But unfortunately, what happens is the market changes, and that could happen in a week, that could happen in a day, that could happen, at some point, anytime. And then that strategy no longer works. And then that individual made all their money just from kind of selling their strategy, whatever you want to call it. And then you end up giving back all the money that you made. So I'm here to tell you that you can be consistent. I don't know about no 1,000, 2,000% and all that ridiculous amount of returns that people guarantee. But what I can tell you is that if you follow my basket approach, which I've developed over the years, here's the deal. Not one single trade is going to matter as far as what you're going to be talking about. You're going to be trading multiple things at the same time. You're going to have, let's say, in a theoretical basket of 10 different names, you're going to be both long and short at the same time. You're going to select the proper option strategy selection for the market conditions that are in front of you. So does sometimes a straight call or put make sense? Absolutely. Does sometimes a vertical spread make sense? Absolutely. Sometimes a vertical credit spread makes sense. Sometimes a diagonal spread makes sense. Now, I know there's a lot of strategies out there. I know a lot of people kind of their heads spin about this stuff, but I have a step-by-step approach that I've developed over the years that allows you to select the right strategy at the right time in the right environment. So at Top Trading Pros, we basically have a program that allows you to do this. We don't just sell education. We do that also, but we also one of the primary things we do at Top Trading Pros is coaching. Coaching is extremely important in this type of environment, particularly. Understanding option strategy selection and which one to use at the right time is paramount to success. So that's what the coaching is all about. So we offer education. You can check out our website. You can check out these YouTube videos. We have plenty of free content on toptradingpros.com if you want to just get to know us a little bit and see what we're all about. We also have an ebook that's for free. If you want to sign up and give us your email address, we'll send you a newsletter with updates every single week, as well as a free ebook, which will get your feet wet. It'll get you familiar with our overall strategy. Then on top of that, we offer education. So you can if you want to just watch videos. If you want to kind of learn what an option is, what are the Greeks, what are the different strategies, and all that stuff, we offer that as well. On top of that, we have a coaching program, which is our main thing. We have weekly coaching from myself, as well as we have a Discord channel where we give trade alerts and we discuss ideas in a like-minded community of people like yourself. So we have all levels of option traders can benefit from this. We have beginners who are learning from from myself and some of the more advanced traders. We have advanced traders who just want to up their game. Maybe they struggle with consistency and they're unable to figure out what exactly is going wrong. 9 times out of 10, I'll share with you this. 9 times out of 10, it has nothing to do with your trade plan or your risk management. What it really has to do with is you're not paying attention to the overall market. You're not paying attention to your basket, how one stock maybe is related to another stock, and so on and so forth. And you might be either too long or too short. If you combine that with poor risk management and not the right planning, consistency is a very challenging thing for a new trader to have without proper coaching. So that is what we offer at Top Trading Pros. In an environment like this, I'm going to leave you with this thought. I'm looking at the markets right now. And basically, if you look where we are, what I'm telling my students is this, and I'm going to share this with you. The NASDAQ, basically, I have the Qs up right now, but basically you have this huge uptrend from the beginning of the year that has now been broken. You now have this move down that we've had, and now we have a little bit of a bounce today as I'm recording this. So right now, I like to call this Nowheresville. And when you're in Nowheresville, you have to have a strategy that matches that. The market probably will not bounce to new highs. We might bounce sideways for the rest of the year. And if you don't have a sideways strategy in place, if you don't have that type of flexibility where you're able to go long and short at the same time and do some sideways stuff also, you are not going to be successful. What's going to happen is you are going to get frustrated. So especially in the environment that we're in right now, it is more important than ever to get the right coaching and the right mentorship. And that's what we offer at Top Trading Pros. So I hope this video is helpful. Be careful out there, manage your risk. Check out our website, toptradingpros.com, and you will see exactly how that basket approach works. Okay. So have a wonderful day, everybody. Take care.